Ciao baby, Tanya here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to never miss an upload.
Hello, how are you? How's it going? I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'm really hoping you're excited for this try haul. Today, as you can see from the title, I'm gonna share with you outfit ideas for different occasions. How does it sound to you? Anyway, buckle up kitty cats because I have some outfits to show you. Make sure to stay till the end so you can make up your mind on which outfit was your favorite. Outfit number 1. Okay, so for my first outfit, I'm starting this two-colored pleated skirt. Wow, actually only one side is pleated, the white one, and it has 2 layers. The other side, the black one, is basic. But when we add these two parts together, we have this quite unusual skirt. By the way, I believe this skirt is something Cruella would wear. What do you say? By the way, have you seen that movie? I watched it on my way to Istanbul, I think in October, and I really loved it. But you let me know whether you liked it, what do you think about it? Because the outfits there, wow, they were amazing. Anyway, I believe I talked too much, so I styled the skirt with my white basic shirt. I decided to put a sweater on to keep myself warm, and 2 layers, and of course a pair of high heels and a pair of glasses, and let's study. What's your favorite subject? Anyway, how do you like this outfit? Make sure to let me know in the comment section. How would you rate it? From 1 to 10. I mean, you know the deal, right? Time to shift your form. Ooh. Well, anyway, jokes apart, this outfit is the complete opposite of the outfit number 1. For this outfit, I decided to style this pair of black pants, which I believe look pretty stylish. I really love their design. I decided to style them with my satin shirt. How do you like it? And of course, we're gonna add some more details to this outfit, like the shoes. I mean, you can't go without shoes anywhere, right? And a jacket, because why not? It's still pretty chilly outside, and a jacket adds more style to your outfits usually. So this one is pretty stylish, elegant, very simple. How do you like it? If you feel like checking out my other content, if you're willing to see more outfit ideas, if you want to see my other socials, check out my website tatianapaulapa.com. Check out the blog where you will be able to discover all the updates, all the good stuff. I'll see you there. So yeah, this is outfit number 2, but I bet you know it, right? How do you like it? How would you rate it from 1 to 10? Let me know in the comment section. Outfit number 3. Okay, jeez. Number 3. Here we're going to party. Yeah, are you ready for a party? I hope you are, because this outfit just screams lights on, let's perform, or whatever. I love this dress, it's so sparkly. How do you like it? I styled this dress with my beige piglet hoodie and I added this white clutch. How do you like this outfit? Let me know in the comment section. You know the deal. Outfit number 4. It's time for something casual and something warm because it's still pretty chilly outside, especially in the evening. I mean, this outfit, you can wear it wherever you want. You can probably wear it camping. I think I've never gone camping. Have you? I mean, I visited people camping, my friends, but I never spent a night out there in the wilderness. Ooh. But have you done it? How's your experience? Drop a comment, let me know. I'm really curious to know. And here's my final outfit idea for you in case you decide to go to the beach. Thank you for sticking until the end. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss an upload. And if you'd like to see more of my content, just want to say hi to me, feel free to reach out. I'll drop the links as usually in the description box below. Have a fabulous day and I'll see you soon. Bye!